Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Mishra and you are watching our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Most people believe ISO standards are designed only for large corporations, companies with giant factories, huge budgets and hundreds of employees. But the reality is very different. ISO 55001, the international standard for asset management, is not just for big companies. It is a powerful tool for small and medium enterprises as well. In fact, SMEs may stand to benefit even more from it because their resources are limited and a single breakdown can cause major setbacks. This session explores why ISO 55001 matters for SMEs, how they can implement it without huge cost, success stories from small businesses, and a practical roadmap to turn assets into growth engines. Now, understanding ISO 55001. ISO 55001 is the global standard for asset management. Assets are not just large machines or buildings. They are anything valuable to your business. For an SME, this can include delivery vans, laptops, shop floors, IT licenses, or even customer data. The goal of ISO 55001 is simple. That is to help organizations gain maximum value from their assets while minimizing risk. Think of it as a disciplined way to ensure your assets continue to support your growth instead of draining your resources. Now, we will talk about the SME advantage. Surprisingly, SMEs may actually have an edge over large corporates when adopting ISO 55001. Big organizations are like giant ships, they take a long time to change direction. SMEs, however, are like speedboats. They can adapt quickly, implement new practices faster, and involve their small teams more effectively. In a small company, every improvement is immediately visible. The agility makes ISO 55001 adoption smoother and more impactful for SMEs compared to large organizations. Now we will discuss the step-by-step process for the implementation for SMEs. Implementing ISO 55001 does not have to be complicated. SMEs can begin with 7 practical steps. Identify assets. Make a complete list of machines, vehicles, IT systems, and other resources. Define value. Understand how each asset contributes to your business success. Assess risk. Analyze the impact of each asset's potential failure. Plan maintenance. Introduce preventive care and usage guidelines. Train staff. Ensure employees know how to use and maintain assets. Track and measure. Keep records of cost, downtime, and performance. Review and improve. Evaluate results every risk months and make adjustment. Now we will discuss about the common mistakes to avoid. Despite its benefits, some SMEs fail in ISO 55001 implementation because they overcomplicate the system, neglect the staff training, treat it as a one-time project instead of an ongoing process. The solution is to keep things simple and practical. Focus on people, teamwork, and regular improvement. ISO 55001 is not just for large corporations. SMEs, with their flexibility and need for efficiency, are perfectly positioned to benefit from it. Instead of asking, "Can I afford ISO 55001?" SMEs should ask, "Can I afford the cost of ignoring it?" By starting small, applying the principles simply, and involving the whole team, SMEs can turn asset management into a powerful driver of growth. ISO 55001 is not about size, it is about smart thinking. Tomorrow, it might be your small business that grows into a large corporate success story, or because you decided to manage your assets smarter. Thanks for watching. I, Akanksha Mishra, will see you in the next episode of TNV Academy.